Okay, so welcome to this Emini S&P 500 live trading room. As you can see here, I'm trading the Emini S&P 500, which you can see here, and this is an ongoing effort. We are in this project already around 6 months, but I can tell you I was not uploading these videos. I had some personal things to resolve in the meantime, but at the moment we are really in a downward momentum, downward phase. But I will be skipping through this video a little bit quicker so you can see the actual end results of this week. I would say overall we are at plus minus 0 at the moment, and at one point we were almost 25% positive, and now we eliminated all our profits again, which is very unfortunate. But it happens, and it happened to us here in this scenario. The main reasons for this are quite simple, because when this downward momentum started, I changed my strategy. And I think even though this strategy seems to be quite nice, it gives me a very difficult time to execute. Actually, all this started basically when we started to have 2 trading accounts, and then we started to eliminate those risks. But that confused me so much that we are now not able to take full positions anymore. Then we made a small amendment to the strategy, and it seems to put me off completely from my trading approach, because the weeks prior to that they were quite stable and solid, all profitable, and now since that time everything seems to be negative. I just realized the next week. You can see we take small positions, and what we are doing is not very clear anymore. But let's not waste too much time. We will try to get back on track after the 2nd week or 3rd week. Hopefully we can take profits sooner or later again. This should be just, for example, this is a very nice breakout trade here, or an approach at least to breakout. Maybe it's not happening, but this is normally what we should be trading, breakouts. So again, false signal. Here I'm not very lucky also on this day. Breakout didn't happen. Right from the beginning, a very negative trade. You can see a bit of what we're doing here. So this is, for example, quite a nice entry point, 2176.25. I just want to show you, even though this beginning of this day was quite rough and we had a losing trade, this is a very good entry, right on the spot. And this continues, but unfortunately our target is hit here, 71. But of course, because of the prior losing trades, I wanted to get a higher profit target. But you will see here, we are stopped out on the next day. So we didn't take any profits even on this day. You can see here as well a very neat breakout to our trend line, target area. But I was taken out of this market because of a false signal here on the doji, 78 doji. this is all accumulating here. Therefore, we are really not being able to make any profits at this point. Also very sideways market, and now we have a breakout which we did not participate in. Very unfortunate. Okay, let's fast forward. I think that's it for this week already. We make it as quick as possible, just to show you what's happening, because let's get back on track with something more useful and some profits here. This is not necessarily the best thing to see and to observe. Still the same strategy, breakouts, intraday entries, but we have to make it... Well, I changed something, and since I changed something, everything seems to be wrong. Even though I believe that these changes are quite positive and could improve slightly, I would say, not too much, but slightly, they seem to be really giving me a difficult time. So I have to see what will be happening going forward. Most importantly, we get back on track sooner or later. As you can see, if you change something on your strategy, if you do any amendments, be very careful. Go in small positions. Don't try to increase your positions or trade the same. Get experience first, and then you can take it forward in your new approach. Everything you change will have a huge influence on your trading results. So you can see another week very negative, 2,700 minus in this week. Detrimental, I would say, very detrimental. But let's see what will happen in the future. So we had a couple of winning trades here as well, but overall we had 2 or 3 huge losing trades. That's it. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay tuned and work on your own trading approach.